Yo everybody, today we're gonna be playing some Phantom Forces. As you can see, I got the Honey Badger now because I spent some monies to buy that. And I even got this because I spent some monies to buy that. And I also got this because I spent some monies to buy that. And you guys are gonna see some pro mode. I got the Tactical Spatula, I even got ASP Baton. But I don't use ASP Baton, I use Tactical Spatula because it's more overpowered. And I use the BFG. It's like, ooh, wow. Like, this thing is like overpowered world. The top floor is surrounded with enemies. How am I supposed to kill them? Ah, I can see now. I can see where they are. Okay, well, kill the score out. I'm so freaking mad because they on the top floor. Oh my god, score! This is for Pika S. Pika S, a stubby grip can delta sights. I can't put Go, Golmaal, go, Golmaal. Everything's gonna be go, Golmaal, Golmaal, go, Golmaal. Everything's gonna be everything's gonna be everything's M168. I need to reach rank 31. When I do, in the rest patrolling. Go, Golmaal, go, Golmaal. Everything's gonna be go, Golmaal, go, Golmaal, everything's gonna be go, Golmaal, go, Golmaal, everything's gonna be Golmaal, Golmaal. Bro, I was just gonna kill him first. Carry yours. Beliada Sanadun Uyabenia. Go, I started with the soda. Oh, bro. You never saw you. Stupid, what did you do? This guy. Ah, you freaking dumbass. Freaking dying. Because he has to kill. Kill me. These people are pros. Bro, I have to catch up. Like ketchup. Better catch him. Like ketchup. Hamuli. Inta Hamuli. Inta Hamuli. Hamuni. Inta Hamuni. The king underscore Hamuni. Inta Hamuni. Oh. Bruh, I could sniper like, oh, like damn. Indonesia? Who freaking calls Indonesia when they got a grunge? I don't want to. Open it up. Continue.
हेलो।
हाँ जी, आप हंजला को दे सकते हैं?
क्यों बेटा?
उसने बोला था वो 5 बजे मेरे साथ में खेलेगा।
तो आपने पहले छोड़ दिया था?
नहीं, मैंने अभी खेल रहा हूँ।
अभी खेलना शुरू किया?
हाँ जी।
ओके, मैं कहती हूँ।
हाँ हंजल, मुझे फैंटम फोर्सेस में ज्वाइन करो। Yes. Were you playing computer before?
No, now I'm going to sit on the computer.
Okay. Deagle is so overpowered. Deagle. I'm right now in the game. Yo, nobody's gonna survive in my watch.
Oh, you just didn't see. You know, I have gotten a pro gun that I was training with that just kills people in 2 hits. What? Any body part. It is a close quarter. It is like a sniper 2.0. It is like BSG 2.0.
I know Mohsin Nagant.
No, VSS Interos.
What?
VSS Interos.
VSS Venturias.
Serious, just like that.
Ah, that is Kachara against BFG. I can one-shot you with this. I can one-shot you with BFG and you're like, bleh. Ooh.
The thing I don't like about it.
Hanzal, I have pro skills. You can't kill me. I'm too good with tactical Sputala.
Everybody's telling me he just hit him with 2 shots and he's dead.
I'll use Honey Badger. You see. You think VSS Venturias is more overpowered? Hanzla, where have you spawned? I will kill you.
Doesn't need any attachment to work properly. It is already working.
My Honey Badger is overpowered.
I'm in the game, you know. And you're my enemy.
You are my enemy. See? I'll take your VSS and Venturias and see how good this is.
If you dare.
I picked it up. Now I want to see how good it is. Let me see if you're luck. Oh, Hanzal, I think somebody is behind you.
Nobody has.
I was. Somebody might come behind you and you might die by your own VSS Venturias if somebody picked it up. You don't know.
This bad boy. I just shoot so far.
It's only like 3-hit kill, bruh. You're not lying.
I get another button.
VSS Venturias is good, Hanzla.
I get another button with it.
Oh, you kill me with your own gun.
I just kill you again. And
Yes.
then you just snipe me.
You thought I would snipe you, but I have your Honey Badger.
Guys, look.
Hanzal, you will pay. I got your Honey Badger. Oh, Hanzal, where are you, my bruh? Hanzal, where are you? Hanzala, there is this guy who owns the Hackett 2, but he's not using it. He's using R700. He's the rank 155.
And a guy also in 163. Now guys, another kill.
Honey Badger is better than your Kachra.
In the area wherever you are.
I will not. It's just a trick. You think I will stand and I'll tell you where I am? You will be dead.
Okay, only one more hit then he's dead.
Hanzal, You will die. It's a 3 hit on body. And headshot I think is a 1. I'm gonna camp your spawn, bro. Bro, I'm gonna camp your spawn. I'm camping your spawn, bruh. I'm camping your spawn, bruh. Bro, I'm camping it. I'm gonna kill all your teammates.
Wow, this is a awesome. I was gonna say.
Deagle is so good, Deagle.
I'm gonna like crazy kill.
How do you think Deagle's crazy? Hansel, where are you? Hansel, click deploy and I'll come and see you.
Oh my gosh, everybody just came and killed me.
I'm
I
killing.
didn't get these kills so fast.
I'm spawning your camp. I'm camping your spawn. You thought you were alone.
I'm very happy that you died. I have 8 deaths, 8 kills. Nico has 11 kills, 7 deaths.
I have more kills than you. Because Honey Badger is better than your Kachara. VSS Victorious is more Kachara.
Okay, then now I'm breaking the real bad boy.
ठीक है. Okay, bruh.
Now you just wait and see which is the bad boy there. Why doesn't it have any noise? Display.
Hansel, where are you?
You.
I'm asking you, just tell me, bruh. Holy. You kill me, AK-74, you cheater. Hansel. Hansel. Where are you, bruh?
Hello, what? What?
Where are you, bruh?
Yeah?
Where are you, bruh?
Yes. Okay.
I want to have a 1v1 with you.
You can't have a 1v1 with me. Why you are hiding and killing me?
So that your teammates don't see me. Don't you know, Kachara Nab? Pros hide and kill.
Man, why you are so far away?
I know where your enemies, your bad guys are.
I see all of your enemies.
Where do you see them?
Man, I hope you come back from the faraway place. This Phantom Man guy is killing so many times.
Oh my god. I was so close to die by that guy.
Where are you?
You will see. You will see, my bruh.
Okay.
Tell me where you are, then I'll come there and I'll kill you.
I don't know where are you.
Hansel, you're at your spawn, right? I got 18 kills. 18 kills and 10 deaths only. I have more kills than deaths. Wow, I just died by a Steven's DB. Steven's DB man.